Hi, I'm Jesse, owner of Island Aesthetics, and if you've made it to this point in the website, you're obviously interested in ceramic coatings. Well, this is my garage where I do all my coating installs and paint correction. It's on the South Shore of Long Island in Bayport, and I'm going to take a quick minute to review the most common talking points and questions that typically come up whenever I speak to somebody about a ceramic coating. I would say generally I talk to two types of customers. The first is somebody who knows that they want a coating. They just have a couple of questions, we build the package, we get it on the schedule. The second is somebody who's not sure if a ceramic coating is right for them. Typically because what they drive, they view as average in their eyes, and so they don't want to spend too much money on a detail, which I totally get. But the reality is that every car needs to be protected because they all have paint, and that's the skin of your car. And just like we need to wash and protect and maintain our own skin so bad things don't happen to it, we need to do the same for our cars. But when it's not protected or maintained the way it should be, it fades and oxidizes and it gets scratched from improper washing, and it just loses that beautiful gloss and shine that came from the factory. It loses that base layer of protection that was meant to be there, and it totally diminishes in value pretty quickly. See, our cars are often one of the largest purchases that we ever make, second only to really buying a home. And when you're starting out spending $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 on a car, it's a shame, but most people don't do anything to protect it, either because they don't have the time to do it themselves, or they just weren't aware that there's a reasonable and affordable way to have someone do it for them, and that's through ceramic coatings. Now, I understand that every vehicle and every person is different, but regardless, everybody would love to have a ceramic coating. It's just for some people, they don't want to be dipping into savings in order to get this done. So I work one-on-one with each customer to make sure that there's a package and a bill that checks all their boxes and it fits their needs, but it doesn't break their budget. And so this way, you don't go out and spend, 30, 40, 50 grand on something, but leave yourself with no way to protect it over the life of your ownership. Each year, I install more ceramic coatings than anything else I offer in my detailing business, which has developed a set of skills that are really important for understanding the nuances of the coating process and the different variables in cars from this manufacturer's paint to that one. And so whatever you drive, you can expect the right results in the right amount of time at a budget that makes sense for you. So if you have any questions about ceramic coatings or how to protect your vehicle, don't hesitate to reach out and give me a quick call, all right? There's a button at the bottom of the page and that'll take you directly to my contact info. Again, guys, I'm Jesse from Island Aesthetics. I really appreciate you taking a minute to check this stuff out, and we'll talk soon.